carefully. Every year, millions of old clothes are thrown away, ending up in landfalls instead of being reused. Long before machines begin their work, every fabric is carefully inspected by skilled artisans.
Before fabric can begin its second life, every non-textile part must be removed by hand.
Before these fabrics can begin a new chapter, they must be thoroughly cleaned. Years of dust, stains, and everyday wear are changes. Fresh air and natural sunlight gently remove the remaining moisture. This careful drying process preserves the strength. Every cushion begins with precision. Skilled artisans carefully measure and cut each fabric panel, ensuring perfect proportions and minimal waste. With the recycled fabrics carefully prepared, skilled artisans begin creating each cushion cover. Every stitch is sewn with precision. The recycled fibers are gently opened and fluffed, creating a soft, even filling that will give each cushion its comfort and shape. Nothing is wasted. Even the smallest fabric offcuts are recycled into soft fibers that will become the filling inside each decorative cushion.
Now the recycled fibers find a new purpose. Skilled artisans carefully fill each cushion by hand.
Consistency is essential. Every cushion is carefully measured and compared to maintain the perfect thickness, balanced filling, and uniform appearance.
The final details make all the difference. Every cushion is carefully hand-finished with nearly invisible stitching.
Elegant edge finishing adds strength, durability, and a refined appearance. Every stitch reflects the precision of experienced craftsmanship.
Even the smallest detail matters. Every loose fiber and thread is carefully removed to achieve a flawless, handcrafted finish. Every cushion is carefully shaped by hand. This final adjustment ensures the recycled filling is evenly distributed.
Each finished piece is carefully arranged into matching collections, where color, texture, and craftsmanship come together to create timeless home decor.
Every handcrafted cushion is prepared with the same care used to create it. Sustainable packaging protects the product.
With every detail complete, the journey inside the workshop comes to an end. Each handcrafted cushion is now ready to begin a new chapter in homes around the world. Natural materials complete the presentation. Every package is wrapped by hand, creating an elegant unboxing experience that reflects the craftsmanship inside.
Luxury cushions are carefully matched into coordinated collections. Every color, texture, and size is selected to create a perfectly balanced home decor set.
Before leaving the workshop, every cushion receives its product identification, allowing each handcrafted piece to be tracked throughout its journey. Every shipment is packed with care. Protective materials help ensure each handcrafted cushion arrives in perfect condition, ready for its new home.
Crisp plates. After days of careful craftsmanship, the handcrafted cushions are finally ready to leave the workshop.
Every package is carefully loaded by hand to protect the craftsmanship inside. Careful handling ensures each decorative.
Every handcrafted cushion now begins a new journey. Leaving the workshop behind, every package is unloaded with precision. Careful handling protects the handcrafted cushions and preserves the quality created inside the workshop. Inside the distribution center, every collection is carefully organized, allowing each handcrafted cushion to be quickly prepared for its final destination. Before storage, every shipment is inspected once again to ensure it has arrived safely and is ready for the next stage of distribution.
Ordered cushions located. Confirmed in stock. Moving to packing. Okay, got it. Scanning now. Stacks are complete here.
The handcrafted cushions are now ready for regional delivery. From this point forward, every mile brings them closer to the homes they were created for. From the distribution center, the handcrafted cushions continue their journey through the heart of the city, moving one step closer to the homes where they will be enjoyed every day. The journey reaches its next destination. These handcrafted cushions are now ready to become part of carefully curated interior collections.
Every space tells its own story. Choosing the right colors, textures, and materials allows handcrafted cushions to
Completely change the feeling of a room. Balance, texture, and thoughtful design bring comfort and elegance together.
Sometimes, a single handcrafted cushion is all it takes to turn a quiet corner into a favorite place to relax, read, and unwind.
Every handcrafted cushion is created with someone in mind. Now, these carefully crafted pieces are ready to become part of a new home.
True craftsmanship is not only seen, it is felt. Every texture, every stitch, and every detail reflects the care that went into creating each cushion.
Every handcrafted cushion finds its purpose when it becomes part of a thoughtfully designed home. Small details create extraordinary spaces.
Comfort is more than a feeling. It is created through thoughtful design, quality materials, and the skilled hands that bring every detail to life. Handcrafted cushions are more than decorative pieces. They become part of beautiful spaces where people gather, relax, and create lasting memories.
What began as forgotten pieces of fabric has found a new purpose. Through skilled craftsmanship, patience.
Thank you for watching Industrial Secrets. Don't forget to subscribe and join us. We'll see you in the next adventure.